Hi, I'm Connor with Honor, your trusted real estate partner in Santa Clarita and the surrounding areas. When it comes to buying or selling a home, I know trust is everything. I was with LAPD for a very long time, and your partner, you live and die for your partner. Not that we get that extreme in real estate, but I want you to understand where I'm coming from when I talk about those types of relationships, business and professional, and also the way that I take care of my clients from beginning to the end, before and after. First and foremost, I believe in complete transparency. You'll always know exactly where we stand, what comes next in every step of the process. And again, I'm here to adapt and communicate with you in the way that you want to. With years of experience in this market since 1998, I have seen a variety of real estate tragedies that have occurred, and typically it's because of greed. Those issues are not the case with me because at the end of the day, I've understood over time the most important part of the process is you, the client. As long as I keep the client happy, as long as I'm able to develop that relationship with you, earning your trust and eventually your business, then we will be set for success and you will start getting your real estate won, not just done. I'm Connor with Honor. Thanks for watching.